Experience nightmares and you have had complex PTSD, my advice to you would be to not run from that which is scaring you in the dream, because nightmares are a way in which the body is trying to process the trauma. The trauma is also stored in the body in the form of the memory. So the body is trying to release it, as you would have, maybe if you've read about this, you're aware of how animals shake off their trauma. Like if you bathe your dog, then the dog comes out and does zoomies or, shakes like terribly for a few seconds because it's traumatizing for the dog to be held and, into the bathroom and to be given a bath, and it's not the dog's nature. So the dog removes it. So, similarly, there are layers and layers of trauma in our system, especially with complex PTSD, that need to come out. As children, obviously, we did not shake the trauma off, so the body is trying to release it in the state of nightmares. Why nightmares persist? In my experience, it is because we are resisting the nightmare. Like, I'm trying to wake up when I have sleep paralysis in the dream, or I'm trying to run, but what if I just face it? It will not lead to death. In fact, it becomes an opportunity for you to overcome the fear of death, also, a very primal fear in all humans. And I always believe that those who have had complex PTSD, very painful childhoods, very, very difficult experiences when they were very small, childhood sexual abuse and such, I know that they are spiritual warriors. That is why you were able to go through so much. It becomes a springboard for you to awaken that much into light. So just face the nightmare. I had this experience once where I was having these repeated nightmares and flashbacks. And in one of the nightmares, I just decided to allow whatever was happening, the force that was attacking me. I just allowed it. And I just surrendered and I just was like, okay, let's go through it. It was the hardest thing to do. But when I did that, the nightmare of that nature completely stopped after that. After I surrendered, I realized, oh, the energy is released and nothing more needs to be done in this area of the nightmare. There may be other nightmares related to other things that the memories have to, the body's memory has to process. But for that bit, it was gone. And you can just try this. You don't have to suppress anymore, but you are in a place to actually face it. That's in fact why you're even having the nightmare.